Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute permission sets in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to permission sets group from the setup. By clicking on setup, just search for the permission sets group, or let's just type sets group and uh, set groups, and we will be able to find it. After that, you will need to select the permission set group that you want to mutate, for example, this one, and then you will need just to click on muting permission set in group. So as you can see, we can view and manage permissions to mute in the group. We are going to click on it, and basically now you can start adding mute permissions. We are just going to click on you add a new one and click on save, and after that you can give it you will need to edit. So basically let's just click on it, and from here you can start adding more modifications on this muting permission set. So basically now you can add object permissions if you want or anything. So those are the object settings, and you have all the other permission, the custom permissions, etc, etc. So let's just go to object setting, and basically we can find here all the objects here, and after that you can start modifying on the objects permissions. We can click on objects, and then you can start assigning all the permissions that you want to edit, and then you will need at the end to save all these changes. So basically you can add this muted, etc, etc, and then you will need just to save at the end. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.